Hello everyone. First, I want to extend a huge congratulations to each of you. Reaching the end of a technical program is no small feat, and you have put in the work to get here. But as the title suggests, this isn't just an end, it's a transition. Today, we are going to talk about that achievement and, more importantly, exactly what comes next in your professional journey. You have now officially completed the Learning AutoCAD 2027 course. This means you have successfully navigated the core environment of the latest software and are now ready to take those skills out of the classroom. You are equipped to begin applying these AutoCAD techniques to real world design projects, turning your learning into tangible results. You have acquired the following skills. You are comfortable with the AutoCAD 2027 interface and the QAT. You understand the differences between ribbons, panels, and dialog boxes. You are able to draw to the scale using the inbuilt AutoCAD 2027 commands. You are comfortable with line, arc, circle, polygon, and splines and the various other drawing tools. You are able to work with single line and multiple line text. Create effective dimension styles in AutoCAD 2027. Place precise dimensions on the objects. Creating title blocks and also defining the page set. Finally, you are now able to communicate your design intent. And after this, towards the end, I have given you some bonus projects to practice your skills. Think of the skills you have gained as a new set of precision tools in your professional kit. Just like a craftsman with a hammer, you now have the foundational ability to build and create. However, a tool is only as good as the hand that wields it. Now that you have the how to down, it's time to focus on the execution. So, what is the immediate next step? It's time to sharpen your axe in the world of design. This means refining your efficiency and staying current with evolving methodologies. We don't want you to just use the software. We want you to master it so that your workflow becomes second in nature. To move from a steady pace to a high performance drafting, I have three specific recommendations for you. First is practice, practice, and more practice. Repetition is the only way to build speed. Second, take that newfound knowledge and create something entirely new. Start a personal or professional project today. And finally, for those ready to shift into high gear, you are now officially eligible to join our Advanced AutoCAD 2027 Essential Training course. This is where we delve into deep workflows and complex system functionalities. I wish you all the very best in your future endeavors. Keep creating, and I hope to see you in the advanced session soon.